Have you ever wondered how something as simple as your breath can unlock the door to profound spiritual experiences? Breath is more than just a vital process that sustains life. It is a powerful tool that can lead to deeper spiritual awakening and personal growth. In this video, we will explore various breathing techniques that have been used for centuries to enhance spiritual awareness and inner peace. Join us on this enlightening exploration and discover how mastering your breath can transform your spiritual practice. Breath awareness is the foundation of many spiritual practices. By paying close attention to your breath, you can anchor yourself in the present moment, where true peace and clarity reside. Breath awareness involves observing the natural rhythm of your breath without attempting to control it. This simple yet powerful practice can help quiet the mind and create a state of mindfulness. When you focus on your breath, you become more attuned to your body's sensations and the flow of energy within you. This heightened awareness can reveal deep insights about your emotional and mental state. Over time, practicing breath awareness can lead to a greater sense of inner calm and a more profound connection to your true self. Begin by finding a comfortable seated position. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to center yourself. Then, allow your breath to settle into its natural rhythm. Observe the inhalation and exhalation without judgment. Notice how the air feels as it enters and leaves your nostrils. Pay attention to the rise and fall of your chest or abdomen. If your mind wanders, gently bring your focus back to your breath. Practicing breath awareness for just a few minutes each day can have a profound impact on your overall well-being. It can reduce stress, improve concentration, and create a sense of inner peace. As you become more adept at observing your breath, you'll find it easier to remain present and centered throughout your daily activities. Diaphragmatic breathing, also known as abdominal or belly breathing, is a technique that engages the diaphragm, a large muscle located at the base of the lungs. This type of breathing allows for a deeper intake of air, which can calm the nervous system and promote relaxation. To practice diaphragmatic breathing, sit or lie down in a comfortable position. Place one hand on your chest and the other on your abdomen. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, allowing your abdomen to rise while keeping your chest relatively still. This indicates that you are using your diaphragm effectively. Exhale slowly through your mouth, feeling your abdomen fall. Diaphragmatic breathing has numerous benefits. It can reduce stress and anxiety, lower blood pressure, and improve oxygen exchange in the lungs. This technique is particularly useful during times of stress or emotional turmoil, as it helps activate the body's relaxation response. Incorporating diaphragmatic breathing into your daily routine can enhance your sense of well-being and promote a deeper connection to your inner self. Practice this technique for a few minutes each day, gradually increasing the duration as you become more comfortable with it. Deep breathing is a simple yet effective way to enhance your overall health and well-being. This technique involves taking slow, deep breaths that fill the lungs completely and then exhaling fully. Deep breathing can help oxygenate the body and mind, providing a sense of calm and clarity. To practice deep breathing, find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Sit or lie down in a comfortable position. Close your eyes and take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs from the bottom up. Hold the breath for a moment, then exhale slowly through your mouth, emptying your lungs completely. Repeat this process for several breaths, focusing on the sensation of the air moving in and out of your body. Deep breathing can be particularly beneficial during moments of stress or anxiety. It can help you regain control over your emotions and create a sense of calm. This technique can also improve your focus and concentration, making it easier to stay present and engaged in your daily activities. Incorporating deep breathing into your daily routine can have a profound impact on your physical and emotional well-being. Practice this technique for a few minutes each day and notice how it enhances your sense of inner peace and clarity. Pranayama is an ancient practice from the yogic tradition that involves controlling the breath to enhance physical and spiritual well-being. The word pranayama is derived from two Sanskrit words, prana, meaning life force or vital energy, and ayama, meaning control or extension. Pranayama techniques can help balance the body's energy, calm the mind, and promote spiritual growth. One of the most common pranayama techniques is Nadi Shodhana, or alternate nostril breathing. This technique helps balance the energy channels in the body and create a sense of harmony. To practice Nadi Shodhana, sit in a comfortable position and close your eyes. Use your right thumb to close your right nostril and inhale deeply through your left nostril. Then, close your left nostril with your right ring finger and exhale through your right nostril. Inhale through your right nostril, close it with your thumb, and exhale through your left nostril. Continue this pattern for several breaths. Another powerful pranayama technique is Kapalabhati, or skull shining breath. This technique involves short, forceful exhalations and passive inhalations. To practice Kapalabhati, sit in a comfortable position with your spine straight. Take a deep breath in, then exhale forcefully through your nose, pulling your navel towards your spine. Allow the inhalation to happen naturally. Repeat this process for several breaths. Pranayama breathing techniques can help cleanse the body of toxins, improve respiratory function, and enhance mental clarity. These practices can also create a sense of inner peace and promote spiritual awakening. Incorporate pranayama into your daily routine to experience its profound benefits. Box breathing, also known as four-square breathing, is a simple and effective technique that can help calm the mind and improve focus. This method involves taking slow, deep breaths in a specific pattern, which can create a sense of balance and stability. To practice box breathing, find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Sit or lie down in a comfortable position. Close your eyes and take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, counting to 4 as you inhale. Hold the breath for a count of 4, then exhale slowly through your mouth for a count of 4. Hold the breath again for a count of 4 before starting the next inhale. Repeat this process for several breaths, focusing on the rhythm of your breath and the sensation of the air moving in and out of your body. Box breathing can be particularly beneficial during moments of stress or anxiety. It can help you regain control over your emotions and create a sense of calm. This technique can also improve your focus and concentration, making it easier to stay present and engaged in your daily activities. Incorporating box breathing into your daily routine can enhance your sense of well-being and promote a deeper connection to your inner self. Practice this technique for a few minutes each day and notice how it enhances your sense of inner peace and clarity. Breath of fire is a powerful breathing technique that can energize the body and clear the mind. This method involves rapid, rhythmic breathing that can help cleanse the body of toxins and awaken inner energy. To practice breath of fire, Sit in a comfortable position with your spine straight. Take a deep breath in, then exhale forcefully through your nose, pulling your navel towards your spine. Immediately inhale through your nose, allowing your abdomen to expand. Continue this pattern of rapid, forceful exhalations and passive inhalations for several breaths. Breath of fire can be particularly beneficial for clearing emotional blockages and enhancing mental clarity. This technique can also help increase energy levels and promote a sense of vitality. Incorporate breath of fire into your daily routine to experience its invigorating effects. Breath holding is a technique that can enhance mental clarity and spiritual insight. This method involves holding the breath for short periods, which can create a sense of calm and focus. To practice breath holding, find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Sit or lie down in a comfortable position. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Hold the breath for a count of 4, then exhale slowly through your mouth. Repeat this process for several breaths, gradually increasing the duration of the breath holds as you become more comfortable with the technique. Breath holding can be particularly beneficial for enhancing mental clarity and creating a sense of inner peace. This technique can also help improve lung capacity and respiratory function. Incorporate breath holding into your daily routine to experience its profound benefits. Guided breath meditation is a practice that involves following a guided meditation while focusing on your breath. This technique can help deepen breath awareness and promote a sense of inner peace and spiritual connection. To practice guided breath meditation, find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Sit or lie down in a comfortable position. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to center yourself. Follow a guided meditation that focuses on breath awareness, allowing the guidance to help you deepen your practice. Guided breath meditation can be particularly beneficial for those who are new to breathwork or meditation. The guidance can help you stay focused and create a sense of calm. Incorporate guided breath meditation into your daily routine to experience its profound benefits. Incorporating breathwork practices into your daily routine can enhance your overall well-being and promote a deeper connection to your inner self. Here are some tips to help you integrate breathwork into your daily life. Set aside a few minutes each day for focused breathwork. This can be in the morning, during a break at work, or before bed. Use breath awareness techniques during moments of stress or anxiety to create a sense of calm. Practice deep breathing exercises throughout the day to improve focus and concentration. Incorporate pranayama techniques into your yoga or meditation practice to enhance your spiritual growth. Use box breathing during times of high stress to regain control over your emotions. Practice breath of fire to increase energy levels and promote vitality. Experiment with breath holding to enhance mental clarity and create a sense of inner peace. Follow guided breath meditations to deepen your practice and promote relaxation. By incorporating these practices into your daily routine, you can experience the profound benefits of breathwork and enhance your overall well-being. We have explored various breathing techniques that can enhance your spiritual awakening and personal growth. From breath awareness and diaphragmatic breathing to pranayama and guided breath meditation, these practices can help you connect with your inner self and create a sense of inner peace. Remember, your breath is a powerful tool that can lead to profound spiritual experiences. By mastering these techniques, you can enhance your overall well-being and promote a deeper connection to your true self. Start your breathwork practice today and discover the profound peace and clarity that awaits you. Thank you for watching this video on breathing techniques for spiritual awakening. If you found this content helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos on spiritual growth and personal development. Remember, your breath is a powerful tool. Use it wisely to unlock your true potential